Advantages of neem oil for hair. Dry skin. Neem oil is really a cure for dry skin and dry scalp. It's effective against several human fungi including candida, which is called a significant reason for dry skin. Many dry skin shampoos contain neem oil. Regular utilization of the oil can prevent dry skin from developing because it helps you to maintain scalp health insurance and pH level. Wild hair. Neem oil can be used as a conditioning agent for rough and wild hair. Using neem oil will assist you to add shine towards the hair and will assist you to rehydrate parched strands. Give a couple of drops of neem oil for your shampoo, affect hair, and then leave on for few minutes. Once hair are rinsed and dried, it'll appear shinier and healthier. Head lice. Neem oil can be used a natural and safe option to get rid of head lice. Neem oil contains azadirachtin, an insecticidal component, which disrupts the development and reproduction of lice. The pungent given impression of neem oil is strongly disliked by lice, and can have them from crawling on your head and hair, thus being employed as a preventative treatment. Departing the neem oil around the hair overnight will assist you to get rid of any lice. The lice may then be removed each morning using a knit comb. Continue doing this treatment 5 to 6 times, on alternate days, using neem oil until lice have disappeared. Split ends. Neem oil is renowned for being able to add moisture towards the hair, thus assisting to repair broken cuticles. Combine a couple of drops of neem oil and among your preferred carrier oils, for example coconut, jojoba, olive, or almond, and use the mixture for your remaining hair head. Leave it in your hair for a couple of hours, then rinse it having a mild shampoo. Dry, undernourished skin. Due to the essential fatty acids in neem oil, to use it a conditioning strategy to both hair and scalp. Its moisturizing effects revitalize and restore dry, undernourished or rough hair, getting hair to an even and smooth texture.